Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This Insightly CRM review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Insightly CRM is a powerful and user-friendly platform tailored for small to mid-sized businesses aiming to streamline their sales, marketing, and project management within a single, unified system. Its core strength lies in its integrated approach, combining robust CRM capabilities with comprehensive project management tools, making it an exceptionally compelling option for teams seeking an all-in-one solution. A key feature of Insightly is its thorough contact and relationship management functionality. The platform enables you to efficiently store and organize customer data, meticulously track interactions, and access a complete history of emails, calls, and tasks associated with each individual contact. This 360-degree view empowers your team with the necessary information to deliver personalized service and close deals more effectively. Insightly's pipeline management system is another standout feature, providing a clear visual interface for tracking opportunities through customizable stages. Automated tools allow you to streamline repetitive tasks, such as follow-up emails, lead assignments, and task reminders, freeing up your team to concentrate on high-value activities. Furthermore, the platform features robust email integration, enabling you to track and send emails directly within Insightly. What truly differentiates Insightly is its integrated project management toolkit. This seamless integration allows you to effortlessly transition from closing a deal to executing the related project. You can assign tasks, establish milestones, and monitor project progress all within the platform, making it a perfect choice for businesses seeking a combined CRM and project tracking solution. For data analysis, Insightly offers real-time dashboards and customizable reports, providing valuable insights into team performance, sales trends, and project statuses. You can tailor these reports to focus on the key performance indicators, KPIs, that are most relevant to your business. Insightly also integrates with a range of popular tools like QuickBooks, Slack, and Google Workspace, further enhancing its versatility. While Insightly offers a comprehensive suite of features, the initial learning curve might be somewhat steep for new users, particularly those unfamiliar with integrated CRM and project management platforms. However, the platform offers excellent support documentation and onboarding resources to facilitate a smooth transition. In conclusion, Insightly CRM presents an excellent option for businesses looking for a flexible and feature-rich platform that seamlessly blends CRM and project management functionalities. Its user-friendly interface, powerful automation capabilities, and extensive integrations make it a valuable asset for growing teams. Check out the links in the description to explore Insightly further and determine if it aligns with your specific business goals. Hopefully, this review has provided clarity on whether Insightly is the right CRM solution for your team.